Alright, we got the Osmo Mobile 3 combo, pretty much a stabilizer. Let's go ahead and open this. Go open the box bit, Rena. I have no nails.
I got it.
I guess we'll just go from here. Maybe should have gone the other side. Totally should have done it from the other way. Either way, you just need the item. Get the other one. Let's see what's in here. Alright, came in a little storage compartment with their logo on here. A little extra foam. Let's take a look here. What does it say? It says activate the Osmo. When using it for the first time, follow the step-by-step instructions. Now we took these off. We should follow step-by-step instructions. Here, hold this, Rena. But do I really want to follow instructions? Could. Should. I think we're gonna have to download the app. They go from there. What's in there?
Here.
What else does that come with?
Let's see.
Let's see. Ooh, USB. So if we press this right here, the M button has a power button right next to it. And then just push it up. And this is where we'll put our phone, so you can hold it like this. Adjust it. And see your phone. We'll take this ooh, $1. So now, if we actually follow the steps and download the app on the phone, it'll actually adjust it for us and pretty much give us the settings to go correctly. Now I have a buddy that's been using this stabilizer for his YouTube channel and just loves it. So we'll see how it goes. Let's see what else is in the box before we do anything.
This.
Okay, so a little holder down here. You want to set it down. Now I'm using the Samsung S. This is the iPhone, but the phone that I'll be using on here will be the Samsung S20. Oh,
It's a little baggy.
so a little baggy.
And,
No charger?
well, there
Oh.
it is, but it's stuck.
Instructions manual, and it looks like it comes with a Type-C USB charger. Alright, looks like we're good on this. We're just gonna have to download the app and then go ahead and set it up. So I had actually experience with this. I would actually recommend it. It's actually, I had one of the older versions, and this is actually something that I would invest in with the newer version. I needed something new. And yeah, thank you for watching.